Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn exercise 11.2. First question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters from a point 10 centimeters away from it. Construct a pair of tangents to the circle. Okay. Let us see how to construct. So let us see the word solution for this. So steps of construction. So step 1, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. First let us draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So take a point, let us suppose the point name is P. Take a point P. So from its center it is. Okay. Take a point P 10 centimeters so that OP is equals to 10 centimeters. It means that we are assuming that our center is O. So O to P distance should be 10 centimeters. Next we need to bisect OP and name the point on OP. Name the point on OP as X. Fourth point is draw a circle with OX as radius. So it intersects at two distinct points on the given circle, on the original circle. Okay, let us again, two steps are there. Let us try to understand first. Okay, first step is draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So let me draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters first. So with the help of compass, let us draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Okay. Let us with center O. So this is of radius 6 centimeter. Next, take a point P 10 centimeters so that OP should be 10. So already 6 over. From here to here, let us take 4. So total it is 10 centimeter. O to P totally 10 centimeters we have taken. Next, bisect OP. So what is the meaning of bisect? Means we need to take from O to P total length. We need to draw on the top and bottom one arc, and from P point let us cut the arc. So this is called as bisecting. So we have done bisecting. So this name this meeting point as X. Wherever it is bisecting, name the meeting point as X. Now draw a circle with OX. Okay, not required OX. Okay, with X as center. Draw a circle with X as center. So with X as center and radius XP and radius XP. So make sure that here from center X, we will take this as radius and we are going to draw a circle. So it intersects at two distinct points on the original circle. So see here, it is intersecting at two distinct points. Name these points as Y and Z. Let the points be Y and Z. So next, the sixth point will be join PY and PZ. So join by using the scale Py PY and PZ we have joined. So these are the two tangents which are drawn for the given circle. The construction of two tangents is drawn. We have drawn the two tangents, which is nothing but PY and PZ. Okay, let us see the next question. Seventh question in the same exercise. So question says that with the help of a bangle, draw a circle and construct pair of tangents. With an external point. Okay, let us see the word solution for this. Now the question is with the help of a bangle. So each and every bangle size will differ. So with the help of a bangle, let us draw a circle first. Okay, definitely with the help of a bangle we are going to get a circle, no doubt. But we don't know the center of the bangle, no doubt about it. So let us see the steps of construction. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Okay, we have drawn. Step 2. Draw two chords. Draw two chords AB and CD. So this is the center of this. No, we don't have any center. So let us suppose this is AB chord and this is CD chord. So two chords we are drawing at different places. Next, draw perpendicular bisectors of AB and CD. So drawing the perpendicular bisectors as well as bisecting AB and CD both are same. So take the total length AB, draw outside one arc, inside one arc. From B, cut these arcs, draw a line. Next, for CD also, draw outside and inside one arc. From D point, cut the arc. So here is the center of the circle. Obviously it is not, but make sure that while you are drawing with a compass, you will get a perfect picture. So with C as center and radius as D, draw outside one arc and inside one arc. From with the D as center, cut the arcs, you will get a line. So wherever these two lines are meeting, that point is called as the center of the circle. Now let the center of circle is O. Okay. Take a point P outside the circle. So clearly in the question he didn't give any measurements, so we can take as our wish whatever the length we want. We need to construct the pair of tangents. Okay, let us take here a point P. Okay. Next, bisect OP and name point as A. Sorry, A already completed, so we can go with X. So bisect OP. So with same with P as center and radius as PO, draw up and down one arc. With O, it cut these arcs. We'll get the bisecting point. So this point is X. So same, it is similar to the first question. Now the question. So coming to the 7th point. Draw a circle with x as center and XO as radius. So we can take XP or XO as radius, no doubt about that. So we are drawing a circle here. So it meets at two distinct points. It meets at two distinct points to the original circle. To the original circle. So definitely it is going to meet at two distinct points. So this is one point and this is the another point. So let us suppose this is Y and here it is Z. At Y and Z respectively. Next point, join PY and PZ. So we have drawn the tangents to the circle from an external point. So required construction of tangents is drawn. So required construction of tangents is drawn to the circle. So in this way, and all this, make sure that we are going to draw a tangents from the external point. So this is the method to draw the tangents from the external point.